Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard caramel candy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready: sugar, corn syrup, water, and butter. A good quality heavy-bottomed saucepan is crucial for even heating, along with an accurate candy thermometer. Before you start cooking, prepare your pouring surface, like a silicone mat or parchment-lined baking sheet, to prevent sticking. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe candy-making process from the very beginning. Now, let's cook the caramel to perfection. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in the saucepan, stirring gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Increase the heat to medium-high and let the mixture boil, monitoring the temperature with your candy thermometer. Cook until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or the hard crack stage. The mixture will turn a beautiful amber color as it approaches the target temperature. Once your caramel reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Carefully stir in your butter until fully incorporated, then add any flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Work quickly but cautiously. Immediately pour the hot caramel onto your prepared silicone mat or parchment-lined baking sheet. Let the caramel cool undisturbed until it is completely firm, which can take about 30 to 45 minutes. Patience is key here for perfect results. After the caramel has fully cooled and hardened, it's time to break or cut it into individual pieces. You can use a sharp, oiled knife or simply break it by hand. Store your delicious hard caramel candy in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain its freshness and prevent stickiness. It should last for several weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade hard caramel candy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.